Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove caulking from your interior, you can say countertops or wherever it is. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please don't subscribe right now. So basically someone used latex based caulking on this countertop, kitchen countertop, which is not recommended. So they want me to remove it, so that's what I'm gonna do. So how I'm gonna do, like, it's gonna be done in step 1 to 3 steps. Okay, so step 1 is to scrap out anything, because after this is done, in a different video I'll publish what we are gonna do. We are gonna do with like silicone based caulking, because for high water area that is recommended. So step number 1, you can see it's coming out, is to scratch it. Okay, and of course, like your new layer that you will put on, how best it will go depends upon how better you are gonna remove the existing layer. So you should have a utility knife that I am using. Of course there are like scraper and other tools too, but I don't want to use anything to. And see, some additional have come here on this surface. Yeah, when you do things for the first time, such things happen, so I don't want to blame that guy. Anyway, I'm helping him. Yeah, my neighbors always keep me busy because of this. Okay. You can see some had come on this surface too, that I'm taking off. You can see thick layer here, that also I'm taking off. So this is very important, step number 1, and I would suggest like you do it 2 times at least, to make sure any residue that you have left in first run gets covered in second. So after you have scrapped, you can use a wet wipe or even other kind of cloth or something to collect them and dispose. Okay, latex based caulking is not recommended for high water area. I don't know why this guy did it. When you're going for do it yourself projects, be careful. Anyway, almost there. I'm gonna run it once more. Okay, now guys, now the next step, which many think it's not important because of the small ceiling, but no harm in doing it. So you can have a like a what do you call, a specialized caulk remover solution. So what it does is, like, you just need to spray, wait for some time. You can read the instructions. For fresh caulking it takes like a minute, or for something that's already dried it takes 5 to 20 minutes. So you need to do it and then wipe it again. So in this way it will be done completely. So I'm gonna spray and then I'm gonna leave, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, so this is done. Now I'm gonna wipe for the final run, and you can see it is looking now ready to be caulked once more with proper 100% silicone based caulk. So that's how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.